Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's August 29th. We did have the markets stronger today. Corn up 18, beans up 30 3/4 cents, with wheat up 30 cents. Now this morning, mostly led by the wheat market. Wheat started the rally first. A lot of talks of Russia, and are they've got a meeting as far as whether or not they're going to halt exports again or not, or tax or what. But they've got this meeting coming up here on Friday. Got the market stirred up today. Maybe a buy the rumor, sell the fact type idea. I don't see, I guess we'll see on Friday whether or not they do halt the exports or what their decision is. But the market is hyped up on that. Wheat led the way early today. As beans came up and started taking out resistance areas, we saw that build a little momentum as well, closing over 30 cents higher today. And looking pretty strong as we may go up and try to test those highs again for beans, maybe even tonight or tomorrow. As far as corn, 18 cents higher. Pretty strong close for corn, but still just not able to get the momentum that we've seen for corn and wheat, or as far as beans and wheat. But we've got some resistance just above us here as far as corn, and still quite a bit off those highs. It's almost like we need more of a bullish story here to get that corn really amped up. Guys watching this hurricane come in, Isaac, as it moves through the southern areas, could come on up through the Missouri, Illinois. Looks like it could hit most of Indiana and also Ohio as well this weekend. So it looks to bring some pretty good rains. But guys concerned a little bit about the beans. So that may have fueled the fire here today as well. The dollar stronger today, 17 cents. We've seen that the dollar trade back and forth here lately as we get closer to Bernanke's speech that he has. Are we going to see another round of quantitative easing, or is he going to say, hey, like he has the last few times, we're prepared to do something, but we're just not going to do it yet. So I think the dollar's getting pushed around. It has been lower over the last several days, but today finding a little bit of a recovery, maybe a little bit overdone as we get closer to that speech. Crude oil down about $1.35 today. Energy markets pulling back now that this hurricane has come through, and it looks like things could get back to normal. But we did see some very heavy rains out there. But crude oil trading lower and actually taking out some support. We may see that try to drift a little lower here in the short term as well. Livestock, fat cattle today. We saw a stronger rally up $1.85. Guys were expecting to see cash cattle trade this week steady to maybe even a little lower. Looks like cash had come in a little higher this week, and it's got things jumped up a little bit and amped up at least as we go through the week. So we'll see if it can sustain this rally, but a little surprise today as far as the cash market. In the hogs, up 32 cents, still chopping around, still have some big numbers showing up that are probably still going to be looking at rallies as selling opportunities yet. So we did catch a little bit of a bounce, maybe over in the livestock in general, so it might have helped boost the hogs, but overall, we still have some bearish. The trend is down, as I mentioned. A lot of hogs showing up to slaughter right now, and that could keep a cap on any significant gains that we may see, at least at this point. So we're still looking for rallies right now as selling opportunities still in the hogs. But we are coming up to the final days of our yield survey. If you've not been out there and not filled one out for us, please do that. And we greatly appreciate that. You producers are the reasons why we've done very well with this in the past, and can certainly use your help once again. So give us a call over here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.